Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Healthcare Talks with Akshita. As you know that I'm a healthcare management professional and a trainer. So friends, today I have come up to discuss a topic, why do we celebrate National Doctors Day, or what importance this day is having in our life or in Indian medical industry. So, as we all know that we cannot see God, but on earth, doctors are considered a form of God because they protect our life, they work round the clock to make our life better so that we can live in a better way. Doctor is a Latin word which means a teacher, and 1st July every year is celebrated as National Doctors Day. This is the day when Dr. B.C. Roy, Dr. Bidhan Chandra Roy had born. He was a legendary physician of the country. He was awarded with India's highest civilian award, Bharat Ratna. And he was a person, in his memory, the highest award of medical industry, which is Dr. B.C. Roy Award is given, to identify the contribution of a doctor. Dr. B.C. Roy, he was a great physician, as I told you, and he has done a lot of contributions, to develop this industry. And so on, he had a great role in establishment of Indian Medical Council of India, MCI, and IMA, Indian Medical Association. These are the two associations which are responsible for a lot of new things happening and advancement of this industry. So friends, as I told you that he has contributed a lot, and taking the same point from there's something which is very important to know and create awareness about it. Well, the country has been taking around 65,000 MBBS students or doctors from the year 2017. And seeing this figure, increasing with year on year, we can say that by the year of 2024, we would be having around 14.5 lakh doctors, by that time. And there's one thing which is very important, and I should bring into is World Health Organization, WHO, has recommended a few standards for each and every country, and that is common. We can also say this, that WHO has made some standards that a ratio in a country about a doctor and population should be 1:1,000, in every country. And seeing this standard, we can definitely say that by the year of 2024, we would be able to match this number, because at that time we'll be having around 14.5 lakh doctors, and the population of our country would be touching around 140 crores or 1.4 billion. So friends, this would be an achievement for our country, because we'll be very close to celebrating our 75th Independence Day anniversary, and this would be a gift to the entire country. अगर मैं WHO के recommendations की बात करती हूँ कि उन्होंने जो standards fix करे हुए हैं about a doctor population ratio, so there are countries who are very good in this ratio. So countries like if I talk about USA, Australia, Germany, France, these are the countries जिनका ratio, जैसे Australia is having a ratio of 3.3 per thousand, which is a doctor population ratio. Similarly, USA, I would like to tell, which is 2.5 in every 1,000 of population. China, जो हमारी नेबरहुड कंट्री है, एंड अगर मैं नेबरहुड कंट्रीज की बात करूँ तो चाइना का रेशियो भी इंडिया से बेटर है, विच इज़ अराउंड 1.49 per thousand of population. बट फ्रेंड्स, देयर आर अदर नेबरहुड कंट्रीज ऑफ इंडिया जहाँ पे इंडिया बाकी देशों से बेटर है, एंड एज आई टोल्ड यू, इंडिया इज स्टैंडिंग ऑन 1.14 per thousand of ratio, and Bangladesh, Pakistan, Afghanistan are the countries जिनको अभी भी काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट की ज़रूरत है, बिकॉज वहाँ का रेशो लगभग 0.08 0.03 है, जिससे डेफिनेटली हम अपने आप को कंपेयर नहीं करना चाहेंगे. एंड बट स्टिल आई वुड लाइक टू से दैट India is having a lot of potential as far as medical advancements are concerned, because you can see that India is considered one of the best medical tourism countries of the world, and it has doctors spread all over not all over the country, but yes, across the world. मेडिकल एसोसिएशन एवरी ईयर एक थीम लेकर के आता है, एंड उस थीम को इस तरह से रेज किया जाता है सो दैट वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई द लॉट ऑफ एफर्ट्स विच आर बीइंग फॉर्म्ड बाय दिस एसोसिएशन. सो सिमिलरली अगर मैं 2019 की थीम की बात करूं, जहां पर वो चाहते थे कि वी शुड एक्ट अगेंस्ट द वायलेंस was done in the country, about or entire medical association. So उस वायलेशन को किस तरह से रोकना चाहिए जो डॉक्टर्स के साथ किया जाता है. Similarly, this year IMA has come up with a theme which talks about to lessen the mortality rate of COVID-19. And as we have seen that doctors are contributing their entire day and night, they're compromising with their life, they're sacrificing with their lives to fight with COVID-19. Now friends, to conclude about the entire topic, I would definitely I would love to say that this Doctors Day has a great importance in everyone's of life, and not only 1st July should be celebrated or recognized, but I think every day is a special. Every day is special because doctors are really special in our life. And in today's scenario, we have seen that doctors have become a real life heroes. So every day should be celebrated, and I personally feel that I personally would like to give them heartfelt gratitude and thanks to entire medical fraternity, each one who's working so hard in the industry, and a salute to them. So thanks to all the doctors for what you're doing with us, for us. साथ ही आई वुड लाइक टू से थैंक्स टू ऑल माई व्यूअर्स जिन्होंने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब किया है या फिर जो इस वीडियो को देख रहे हैं. आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट यू आर वॉचिंग दिस, एंड इफ यू रियली लाइक द इन्फॉर्मेशन यू कैन प्लीज शेयर दिस वीडियो विद योर फ्रेंड्स. You can subscribe it if you have not done it so far, and let me know if you want to hear something or if you want to know something about anything related to this industry. I would like to prepare on that and come to share a video on that as well. So thank you so much.